Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 26. So without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. A membrane-bound sac that transports material around the cell. Vesicles. Trace the path of a protein in the cell from start to finish, being released from the cell. Ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, vesicles, released. What characteristics do chloroplasts and mitochondria share? Both chloroplasts and mitochondria supply energy to the cell. How are chloroplasts and mitochondria different? Chloroplasts take in solar energy and supply chemical energy. Cell division, when nucleus divides into two nuclei containing the same number of chromosomes, ending in two identical cells. Mitosis. Special fibers made of proteins connect to the centromeres and pull apart chromosomes. Spindle fibers. Chromosomes not involved in determining an individual's sex, i.e., eye color, height, hair texture. Autosomes. Chromosomes that contain genes that will determine the sex and corresponding characteristics. Sex chromosomes. Photo of chromosomes in a dividing cell organized by size. Karyotypes. Process that bacterial cells use to divide. Binary fission. A type of asexual reproduction which occurs within bacterial organisms. This process involves the duplication of genetic material in order to divide into two equal but separate bacterial cells. Binary fission. Cell which only contain half of the chromosomes found in an organism. In animals, these are called the gamete cells. In human, this number is 23. Haploid. Cells which contain the entirety of an organism's necessary chromosomes. In animal, these are called somatic cells. In humans, this number is 46. Diploid. The area where genetic information is held within a cell, it has its own components, which include a nuclear membrane, nuclear pores, chromatin, and a nucleolus. Nucleus. A membrane enclosing a nucleus, which is comprised of lipids, which regulates the transportation of macromolecules over the membrane. These macromolecules include certain proteins and RNA. Nuclear membrane. The region of a chromosome made up of several complex proteins, which is where spindle fibers connect to. Kinetochore. The process of asexual reproduction, which leads to the creation of two daughters with identical genetic information held by plant cell. This process occurs through several stages, mainly include PMAT. Mitosis. A series of events taking place within a cell leading up to its division and replication of DNA in order to create two identical daughter cells. Cell cycle. This is the mitotic phase in which the cell is divided up into two new cells. M phase. A cell structure which has a star-looking shape which forms around each of the centromeres during mitosis. These stars anchor the poles of the spindle fibers in place. Asta. Tubes which work as conveyor belts, they move things such as vesicles and granules. In mitosis, they migrate chromosomes to the opposite poles during anaphase. Microtubules. The pinching of cytoplasm between the two newly created nuclei from telophase. Cleavage fallow. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 26. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabe. Bye-bye for now.